Alright, go. Do I have to get the net for this guy or not?
He's feeling bigger the closer he gets, but he's definitely fighting for it. It's a cat for sure. Okay. Yeah, maybe. That's on her. Does he have a high enough weight on it? Line on this? Oh, there he is, Sam. Holy schnitzel. He ain't no cat. Dude, that is a big sheephead. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Dude's like the mammoth from the lake.
That was actually a pretty good fight.
Oh my gosh. Good thing I didn't horseshoe it.
Hold him up there. Just hold him up.
I'm just gonna bite my fingers off.
I don't care. Hold him up.
If you shut your mouth, I will kill you. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I can do this.
Dude, that's a big sheephead. Ta-da!
Dude, I'm gonna lose him quick.
Alright, now you're good. Have to grab the net. Maybe bigger than he thinks. Very nice, Caleb.
Can I have the pliers? Because that's... This is a good fish.
No. I think you do. So he's got a fish, and I have a fish, but I don't know where to put the camera, so put the camera right over here. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see anything. Don't break.
Please, 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 please.
Fish him out. You guys got a big cat? I have a big cat on.
Oh, here we go. One-handed netting. Oh, God.
Alright, Caleb's cat. It's a pretty big cat. Alright, let's compare these guys. Come on, kid, hurry up.
Can you get him in?
No, he's heavy. Grab the line and pull him in.
I beat you.
I think he'll beat me, but I don't know.
Oh, I know.
Those are some pretty big cats. Alright, let's get the measuring tape.
I beat you big time. Oh, big cats.
Both pretty good cats, I gotta say.
Oh,
Caleb just snapped the line. Or he broke his hook, I'm not sure. Oh, no.
Oh, came hook out, hook out. It's an easy unhook.
But those are big cats. Alright, I'm gonna go grab the measuring tape. I'll be right back. Here's some big cats.
Stay still.
Alright, so here's mine. We're gonna measure it. It's not moving.
Oh my gosh.
20,
No.
22?
22, 23.
22, 23. Caleb's? I'm gonna say 24, 25. He's a fat fish. 25. 25.
Why don't you feel lucky? You probably swallowed it, that's why.
He's the smallest fish in the history of fish.
But he's worth it. Oh, that makes it worth it. Oh, he's worth it, alright. Look at that. I mean, if you get like, no, it's not. If you get like right there, man, that likes to look like a huge fish.
Really big one we're gonna stay. It's not. If it made the drag go, we may need the net. Alright, never mind. Smile for the camera.